Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is March 7th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down $6.10, 3.15%, closed at 187.71. Post-market, we seem to be up by 20 cents. So let's look at what this means on the chart. For those that have good eyes, you have noticed that I repositioned my support at 187.41. I repositioned it, so I think I have moved it. It was no longer at the right thing, so I had a label at 187.41, but I think I moved it inadvertently. I need to start locking these trend lines. Yeah, we are still above 187.41. We are still above it, barely above it, but we are still above it. So basically what happened today, if we try to understand what happened, then we open lower. We open lower, went as low as 186.10. This is quite low. Then we have recovered for the next 3 hours. Try to break this downward resistance. Try to break it. One other example where you need to wait for the end of the candle before getting in if you want to get in at the break of downward resistance. You see this here? It went outside, but came back in and it continued down. Jerome Powell was testifying in front of Congress, and he was yet again talking about what he might be doing with the Fed's rates. He might be increasing them a little bit more, so that scared everybody. I feel like I'm watching a soap. If I wanted to watch a soap, I would watch General Hospital. We should stop interviewing that guy. He has not made his decision yet as to whether he's going to increase the Fed's rate by 0.25% or 0.5%. He was interviewed by, I don't remember which guy, and it was pretty much the same thing. We might be doing this, we might be doing that. This is crazy. I don't want to watch a soap. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. So we have stochastic at 5. This is quite low, but we're still above support. We're still above support, and that's what counts. Support counts more than stochastic, because if we don't have a break in support, then even if we have a break in stochastic, then the support has not been broken. This is not a sell signal. So the signal is not there yet. MACD, nothing new to see here. RSI is now below 50. This is new, and the MI is still good. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX climbed up by 0.98, 5%, closed at 1960. So VIX is climbing up a little bit, but it's still low. It's still low, below 20. Things should have been a little bit going better in the stock market. Down, so big red candle, but we are still in our congestion zone above the 32,550 support. S&P 500, this one is really into a downward channel. It's really into this small downward channel. And basically, we touched that line yesterday. We saw it, how perfectly aligned it was. And now it's continuing down. No stochastic there. And Nasdaq Composite, this one is a little bit better because it's not in a downward channel per se. It was inside this downward channel and then came outside of it. We have less support at 11,565. So take a good look at what is happening here. We seem to be, post-market, we seem to be up by 59 cents now. So maybe we are going to bounce on this. So we are going to have to check tomorrow because there's no new signal that we got today. It is just noise. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.